Welcome back to my channel with Marva. How are you? Hope you're doing well. As usual in my channel we will always be coloring. I really like coloring. Do you also like coloring? I hope so. This time we will color a very savage animal. Do you know what animal whose feet I will color? That's right. This time we will color an animal called a male lion. Let's start coloring it. We start by giving color to the hair on his head by giving it a brown color. On the legs we will give a yellow color. We will color the body red. On the face we will give it a gray color. On the male lion's finger, we'll give it a gray color as well. On the inside of the ear we will give a gray color. On the lower part of the nose and lips we will give it an orange color. On the mouth and nose we will put green color. That's all the coloring today. Hope you like it. Don't forget to massage the subscribe button. Like, share to get notifications from our channel. See you in the next video.